Dear students, I am Dr. Mahesh Hirulal, Assistant Professor, Department of Roganidana. In this video, we are going to discuss about Kushta Roga, its Nidana, Samprapti, types, different characteristics of Kushta Roga, its Sadhya Sadhyata, etc. See, Kushta Roga is one of the very important disease explained in Charaka Samhita in both Nidanasthana and even in Chikitsasthana. It is one of the Bahudosha Dusha Sammurchana Vyadhi. That means there are the quantity and quality of the dosha involved in the manifestation of the Kushta is more. For that only it will become Chirakari. And the Papa Karma is one of a very important Nidana for the manifestation of the Kushta Roga. It's told that Saptadravyani Kushtanam Prakruti Vikrutim Apannati Bhavanti Tadyata Trayodoshaha Vata Pitta Shleshmanam Prakopanam Vikrutaha Doshascha Sharira Datava Tok Samshoshanam Astihi Dosha Upagata Vikrutihi iti. See, we have Saptako Dravya Sangraha in Kushta. Okay. See, there are 7 dravyas or the important factors which are involved in manifestation of the Kushta. They are called as Traya Dosha, Vata Pitta Kapha. Then the Dushas are Tvak, Shonita, Lasika and the Mamsa. So 3 doshas and the 7 dushas are involved in the manifestation of the Kushta Roga. For that only it is called as Saptako Dravya Sangraha and it is the Bahudosha Dosha Sammurchana Vyadhi. Iha Vatadi Dosha Trishu Prakruteshu Tvak Aturaha. See, in this video we are going to discuss about the types. See, in this video we are going to discuss about the types and what are the characteristics of Mahakushta and the Kshudra Kushtas. So basically Kushta is divided into Mahakushta and the Kshudra Kushta. In another video we had already discussed about its Nidana, Samprapti and the Dosha Dosha Sammurchanas. So in this video we are going to continue with the Mahakushta, its characteristics, and Kshudra Kushta and its characteristics. So Mahakushtas, which are the Mahakushtas are, is Kapala, that is due to the Vata. If it is due to the Pitta Visheshan, then Udumbara, Shleshmani, Mandala Kushta. Then Vata Pitta will lead to Rushajjuha, Pitta Shleshma will lead to the Pundarika, Shleshma Vata will lead to the Sigma Kushta, and Tridoshaja will lead to the Kakanaka Kushta. So these are called as Mahakushtas. So basically Kushta is of the 2 types. One is Mahakushta and the Kshudra Kushta. So Mahakushta is Asadhya Vyadhi, where the Kshudra Kushta is Sadhya. Why this classification is done? Because depending on its involvement of the doshas and its Sadhya Sadhyata. So Mahakushta are 7 in number according to the doshas, that is, and its naming is very important for the academic purpose. If it is due to the Vata, then it is Kapala, Vatadika Tare Kapala Kushtam. Kapala, Audumbara, Mandala, Rushajjuha, Pundarika, Sidma, Kakanaka. Due to the Vata, Pitta, Kapha, Vata Pitta, Pitta Shleshma, Shleshma Maruta and Tridoshaja. So this is the list. Vata, Kapala, Pitta, Audumbara. If it is due to the Kaphaja Kushta, Mandala. If it is Vataja, then Rushajjuha Kushta. Pitta Shleshma, Pundarika, Shleshma Maruta, Sidma Kushta. If it is Tridoshaja, then Kakanaka Kushta. And its naming is very important, like Kapala, Udumbara, Mandala, Rushyajiva, etc. Why these names are given is, one is the dosha visheshan is there, dosha involvement is more. If it is vata more involvement, then it is Kapala Kushta. Kushta is always Tridoshaja, and here whatever we are discussing, it is dominance of the doshas. If you are telling that Vataja Kushta, Vataja Kapala Kushta, that means it is Tridoshaja Kushta, but Vata is expressed more. And how they are named is depending on the characteristics of the Kushta. If it is Kapala, that means it will look like Kapala Varna. So what are those? We'll see with the pictures. Audumbara, then Mandala. Mandala means it will be having the mandalas, patches, circular patches will be there. Then it is the Mandala Kushta. So according to its characters, here the namings of these Mahakushtas are explained. So now we will just discuss about what are its characters. Then again we will see the different images of the characteristics with the modern thing. So Kapala Kushta, it is due to the Vataja. Krishna Aruna Kapalabam. See, Kapala means it is like the Shiva which he is holding. Okay, so it is a broken mud pot is there. The same characteristics of the lesion, skin lesion is seen, which is Krishna and Aruna Varnata. Rukshata is more as because of the Vataja. Parushata is more. Then Kapalam, Toda Bahulam. So there will be the Todata will be the maximum. Iti Kushtam Vishamam Smutam. So Kapala Kushta, it is a Vataja Kushta which will resembles like the Kapala, which is having the Krishna Aruna Varnata, predominance of Rukshata, Parushata, and Tanu, Tvak, and Toda Bahulam due to the Vataja predominance. Coming to the Udumbara Kushta, Daha, Kandu, Jagara, Ritam, Loma, Prijam, Udumbara Phala, Sankashaha. See, Udumbara, it is Pittaja Kushta, where Udumbara Phala will be there. So we'll show you the Udumbara Phala. So Udumbara Phala will be having red in color, and there will be the many krimis will be there. So the same thing is seen in Udumbara Kushta. Kushtam Udumbaram Viduhu. And there will be the Dahata will be more because of Pitta. Kandu will be more. Ruja will be more in the Udumbara Kushta. And it is named depending on its Udumbara Phalasankasha, Udumbara Phalabhasam. So it will look like Udumbara Phala. Next, coming to the Mandala. Mandala is due to the Kafaja, Shweta Rakta, Stiram Sthanam, Snigdam, Mrusam, Mandalam, Krishnam, Asnekam, Kushtam, Mandalam. See, why it is called as Mandala means circular, patches. Okay. Those lesions are seen in this Kushta. Then it is called as Mandala Kushta. And it will be Shweta Varnata. It will be having Rakta Varnata. Sthira, Samsthanam, Snigdata will be there, as it is due to the Kafaja. There will be the Snigdata will be more in these mandalas. For that only it is called as Mandala Kushta. Rusha Jivha. So the spelling mistake, it is the Rusha Jivha. See, Rusha Jivha is again a simile. So Rushyajivha, if you see the deer tongue, it will be rough. So the same lakshanas are told. Karkasham, raktaparyantam, antam, shavam, savedanam, Rushyajivha, samsthanam, Rusham, Jiva, tat, tadyutam. See, he will telling that it will look like the Rushyajivha, Jivha of the Rush, and it will be having the characteristics of Karkasha. Okay, so rough in structure, Raktaparyantam, it will be red in color, Shavata will be there, and Savedanam, so there will be the pain. That is due to the Rushyajivha. Pundarika, Sashvetam, Raktaparyantam, Pundarika, Dalopamam. See, again it is looks like Pundarika Dala. So Utsedam cha Sadaham cha Pandurekam Pundarikam Tadyutyacha. See, so again Pundarika Dala. So it is one of the plant. It will looks like Pundarika Dala, where it will be having Shweta and Rakta Varna will be there. Okay, centrally there will be the paler, centrally there will be the some color, and periphery there will be the some color. So it is between Shweta and Rakta Varnata will be there. So that is the characteristics of Pundarika Dala, and same thing is seen in the Kushta, then it is called as Pundarika Kushta. Sidma Kushta. Sidma Kushta. Sidma Kushta is Shweta, Tamra, Tanu, Chad, Rujam, Grushtam, Vimushchate, Alabu Pushpa Varnam, Tat Sidmam Prayana Cha Urasihi. See, it will look like Alabu Pushpa. Okay, so we will understand this only when you are seeing the Alabu and its Pushpa, Alabu Pushpa. It is having Shweta Tamra Varnata, Tanuta will be there, and it will be having the Rujata. See, for that only we should know the nature. See, Sidma Kushta is there, Rushyajivha is there, Pundarika is there, Audumbara is there. So these all are there in the nature. The same thing if it is seen in the patient, then we will name according to that. So the naming is according to that, and it is then only you can understand which dosha is involved, and you can treat it very well. Okay, so Alaba Pushpa Varna Sankasha. Coming to the Kakanaka, Tat Kakanak is the Tivra Vedanam, Tridosha, Tat Kushtam Kakanakanaiva Siddhati. See, Kakanaka is one of the Mahakushta, and it is Tridosha Kushta, all the doshas are expressed well. Kakanaka means Gunjafala Gucha. Okay, so the same thing will be seen in the patient, and it will be having a Tivra Vedanam, Tridosha Lingam. Then it will call as Kushtam Kakanaka. Kakanaka Naima Siddhati. Naiva Siddhati means it is not curable. So it is Tridoshaja Mahakushta. Okay, so these are the Mahakushtas. Okay, Kapala, Audumbara, Mandala, Rushyajivha, Sidma, and Kakanaka. So next video we will see about, still now I had explained only about its naming and what is its character. I had not shown you any pictures. Purposefully, you first search what is Kakanaka, how it will look, what is Alabu, Alabu Varna, Alabu Pushpa, how it will look, Pundarika, see, Rushyajivha, Mandala, Audumbara. Okay, so these all are the simile which is there in the nature. Okay, so in the next video I will show you what is the Audumbara Phala, how it will be seen in the patient. Okay. So how the mandala will be seen, what is the Wrushajima, etc. And these all the Mahakushtas, Kapala, Audumbara, Mandala, Wrushajima, Pundarika, Sidma, Kakanaka has to be remembered with Vataja, Pittaja, Kaphaja involvement and its characteristics, and these all are Asadhya Vyadhis. Mahakushta is Asadhya, one thing, and it will be having the krumi in its lesion, and it is compared with the tuberculosis, leproid, tuberculoid, leproid. Okay, see, leprosy is one, so kushta means it's not simply the leprosy. Okay, most of the people, if anyone tells the kushta means leprosy. No, all the kushta is not leprosy. Kushta is a big heading where the different skin disorders are explained. Among them, the leprosy is the one, and these all 7 kushtas are the leprosy. But Kshudra kushtas are the skin manifestations. So different skin manifestations. But these all the 7 kushtas are leprosy due to the tuberculoid leprosy. It is one of the AFB bacilli which will cause the leprosy. It's a skin manifestation. Okay, so we'll see this all the namings with its simile with the leprosy in the next videos. Thank you.